natural logs. So when we write logs, right, it's usually with the base. So it's log base b, or 5, or 6 of whatever number you're talking about. But some logs are special, like log base 10. We use that so often we don't write the 10, we just write log of x. That was a bad box. This is called the common log. This one we use so often. And the same thing goes for log base e of x. That's one we use so often. We call it the natural log, and we write it as ln x, where this part is the same thing as that part. Right, so instead of writing log base e, we're just going to write ln. It means the exact same thing. This is called natural log. And that's what this lesson is about, the natural log. Well, since it's a log, it has the exact same properties of log. All the same rules apply. Addition is multiplication, subtraction is division. And when we have a number in front, you can write that as a power. All those rules apply. One other thing though, since it's an e down there, we have also this, which is if you have log. Now we know anytime they match, they cancel out. So for logs, if we write natural log of e, remember log base e is the same as natural log of e, so these match. You get 1. And likewise, as it shows you up here, if you have natural log of e to the x, we move the x to the front, and you just get x. So basically these two things cancel each other out, and you get a 1. Now if you have an x up there, it moves to the front, and then this is a 1, so you just get x. It also works the opposite way. E to the natural log of x, these cancel, you just get x. So e and natural log kind of cancel each other out, and that's kind of the big idea here, besides all the same basic rules. So let's simplify a couple of these. Natural log of e cubed. Technically you should move that 3 to the front, so you get 3 natural log of e. That's this 1, so I just get 3. Over here, right, square root, we're going to rewrite that as natural log of e to the 1/2. Then you move to the front. That gets you 1, so it's 1/2. Over here, now these do not cancel out. They're right next to each other. Like you're like, oh, e and natural log cancel out, but the 2's in the way. So get rid of that 2. Move it to a power. So e to the natural log of 5 squared. And now these cancel out. And you get 5 squared, or 25. Use your calculator to correct 3 decimal places. So let me bring out the calculator. Natural log is right here on the major button. So you just put natural log of 12 and 2.48. Natural log of 68. You get the gist, so I'm not going to do this anymore. 68. You just plug into your calculator. Big deal. Okay, next one. Find x if, so you want to solve these. So remember, the way you get rid of natural log is you take the e, you take e of both sides, because e cancels that. Now it looks a little weird. It looks like this. Then what happens here is that these cancel out. You get x equals e to the 2.17, which you can put in your calculator, just leave it as e to the 2.17. So we're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to take the e of both sides. I'm not going to rewrite it this time because we know what's going on. So we get this. Oops. Like that, right? So you take the e powered both sides. That's what makes it a little weird. You take the e powered both sides, and then they cancel out. Use the laws of logs to rewrite this as a single log. So we want to write same log rules we did last time with logs. Plus means multiply, so this is just natural log of 5 times 3, which is 15. Minus means divide, natural log of 24 over 8, which is this natural log of 3. And then this one, we're going to use the exact same trick before, right? What is a 1? In natural log, a 1 is natural log of e. That's a 1. So now minus means divide, so it's going to be natural log of 5 over e. Alright, so we're going to do the same trick. Anytime you want to combine stuff and there's a 1 there or a 2 there, you just make it the same base. Last one. Now we want to combine these. So remember, before you combine, you can move the powers up. This goes up here. So you get natural log of 7 squared minus natural log of 2 cubed. Natural log of 49 minus natural log of 8. So I get natural log of 49 over 8. Here, same idea, I want to combine these, so I have to move that 2 up, but also, there's nothing here. So you have to use the trick of natural log of e. Now you can move that 2 up here, you can move 3 up there. We get natural log of 9 plus natural log of e cubed. Right, 3 squared is 9, so I have that. And then plus means multiply. So natural log of 9e cubed. And there we go. That's the lesson.